Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be checking out the Denim Tears Converse Low collab. Alright, so these shoes released last Thursday, I think it was when it was. I don't remember the exact date, but we have them here now. Maybe you're interested in the shoes, maybe you're interested in something else with this channel. I don't know. I do have constant streetwear stuff that I'm reviewing, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, like it if you like it, you know, if you think it's good, and share it with everybody, whatnot. As I tear open this box, we have a receipt right on top here from Denim Tears, and we can already see that familiar logo. They did release a bunch of apparel for this collaboration as well, just with the giant Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor logo on the front. Really simple, really clean. I didn't grab any of those apparel items, but I did grab the sneakers, and this box is kind of hard to get out here. It's like perfectly fit. All right, there we go. Look at that. The box is totally part of the collaboration as well. You got Denim Tears on the one side, Converse on the other, and Converse all over everywhere. You've got your little sticker tag right up there. You got your little UPC code that, yeah, I don't know what this code thing is here for, but definitely doesn't work on a phone, so whatever, maybe it works on the right app or something. We're gonna break into the shoe. Without further ado, this low top, actually it's a pretty nice Converse. It's actually not terrible. It has some extra rubber up to the top there, and then the red rubber line around this whole part of the outsole on the outside. You do have a couple of different lace colors they put on here for us. If you wanna go with the red, you want to go with the green. This red is not quite deep, you know, like the red stripes on here. The color matching is not great, but you know, it is what it is. And then you do have this nice insole in here that comes right out of there, and you can put in a different insole if you have a special one or something like that. And then, yeah, this Converse footbed right here, this nice and soft stuff. So if you're going to be doing a lot of walking, as long as you're okay with a more flat foot shoe, these are going to be great and comfortable for you. A really thin tongue. You've got the black stars over top this green fabric here, just canvas, right? Canvas upper. With Converse low tops, you do want to make sure that you are spraying them with some sort of a waterproof sealant or something like that to keep them nice and clean, because yeah, they'll get beat up and destroyed very quickly, very easily. One cool note on these, on the backs, look at that. Let's just look over these. You've got that Denim Tears, you got the Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor label on the back. On the bottoms, all red with that standard outsole pattern that they love to always use. Even adds a little size down here at the very bottom. And yeah, I mean, they're Converse low tops. I mean, the main difference, I guess, is just, you know, like I already took this insole out of here, but yeah, you've got this second layer. You've got the nice kind of foam stuff, and then you have this rubber part just on this heel portion. It tapers off and ends there, but it's more of like a impact stopper. So that is a nice option there, and obviously made in Vietnam, hopefully ethically there, I'm guessing so. Especially with the price point at these being over $100, you are expecting to get some good quality along with that, you know, because normally they're like 35, 45 bucks. These will go really well with like denim jeans, with denim anything. Maybe even a Denim Tears shirt. I think that definitely work. Just some blue jeans and this shirt with that Denim Tears logo down at the bottom there. Yeah, you know, you see it there. But yeah, I definitely wanted to rep the movement. Just make sure everybody is equal, honoring those people who have earned it, who have worked hard and deserve some honor and respect. So yeah, we need that in America for sure. United States, it's where I'm from, where I was born, and where I live now currently. And so yeah, we need some change. Every country, this whole globe kind of needs to change. We need to figure out how to restructure stuff, just with the citizens opening up and letting their voice be heard that they do want change, they want to see things, you know, different and whatnot, is always a positive thing. So yeah, before I let you guys go, I will shoot some positivity at you. I got a quote I want to share. I'm so glad that today I got off work like an hour and a half early, so I had a little bit of time to make a video for you all. I would have done it on feet and everything, but honestly, I'm just so strapped for time. I gotta sleep and wake up and go back to work because I'm pulling a lot of 12, 13 hour days, and today I only did 11, which, wow, only 11 hours. So anyways, I'm going out there, I'm delivering for you guys. That's what I do. Come on, or at least right now in this portion of my life. But I got this quote I want to share from Lao Tzu, the Tao Te Ching writer, and a really amazing Chinese philosopher. Simplicity, patience, compassion. These three are your greatest treasures. Simple in actions and thoughts, you return to the source of being. Patient with both friends and enemies, you accord with the way things are. Compassionate towards yourself, you reconcile all beings in the world. So good. So tell me what you think about that quote. What do you like about it? What is pulling your ear on it? Definitely gets my brain circling and ticking. So yeah, let's talk about it. But for now, I'll see you all later. Peace.